Stop. Don't build just another travel app, because the app stores are already flooded with them, and 90% are collecting digital dust. Think about it. When's the last time you downloaded a new travel app? Probably never. Most travelers stick to the same 2 to 3 apps because they solve their problems well. So why do most travel apps fail? Most travel apps fail because founders design for the idea of travel, not real travelers. They add flashy features like AR maps, AI packing lists, or endless filters. But forget what users actually want: a stress-free journey. Imagine being at the airport, Wi-Fi down, and your AI packing assistant crashes. The situation will be frustrating, and travelers don't want that. What works instead? The apps that win don't try to do everything. They go deep on one pain point. TripAdvisor helps travelers research and compare hotels, restaurants, and experiences with verified reviews, so users make confident decisions. Hopper. It racks flight prices, predicts the best time to buy, and sends alerts, saving travelers money effortlessly. Airbnb. It connects users with local hosts and hidden gems, making trips feel personal and unique. HotelTonight. This app shows real-time availability with instant booking and flexible cancellations, perfect for last-minute plans. Here's your checklist if you're building a travel app. Pick your traveler. Are you helping a backpacker find budget stays, a luxury explorer book boutique hotels, or a business nomad plan trips on tight schedules? Solve one pain. Focus on one core problem. Don't try to fix everything at once. Offline ready. Enable offline maps, saved itineraries, and booking confirmations because Wi-Fi is unreliable in airports or mountains. Build trust. Include verified reviews, secure payments, and safety info so users feel confident using your app. Expand later. Add new features only after users show demand, rather than guessing what they might want. Here's the bottom line. Don't aim to be the everything travel app. Aim to be the travel companion that people can't fly without. If you want to learn how to create a travel app, read this blog. Want to build a travel app that actually gets downloaded and used? We help you create travel apps that stand out in a crowd.